Hello, good morning. My name is Shivam Singh and you are very welcome to our channel Female Learning. In this video, I take the lumped heat analysis questions and I will try to relate it with the convection. Okay. And if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe it. And if you are our old viewer, then let us start the video. The first question is, what is the time constant and what does it mean? So time constant is the combination of properties in which is represented as rho v Cp upon Ha, in which rho is the density, v is the volume, Cp is the heat, specific heat, H is the heat transfer coefficient, and A is the surface area. It basically tells that how much faster the body will come to the environmental temperature. If the value of time constant is less, then the body will take less time to reach the environmental temperature. If the value of time constant is high, then body will take larger time to come to the environmental temperature. Can you tell when the lumped heat analysis applied? Is it applicable in every case, or there is some criteria? Sir, for applying the lumped heat analysis, there is a criteria of Biot number. Biot number value should be less than 0.1. Then we can apply the lumped heat analysis. Why this? Can you tell why this criteria? In the lumped heat analysis, we assume that temperature of the body is constant throughout. It means there is no variation inside the body. There is no variation of temperature inside the body, and for this there is the need of the infinite value of thermal conductivity, or we can say there is the need of the zero thermal conductive resistance. And Biot number basically represents the ratio of thermal conductive resistance with the thermal convective resistance. And ideally, if we observe ideally, then we can say Biot number value should be equal to 0, but it is not possible because infinite value of thermal conductivity for a body is not possible. That's why we have that's why the many experiment has been done, and after the experiment it is found out that if the Biot number value is kept less than 0.01, then the result, that's why 0.1 value of Biot number is accepted. Shivam, have you heard about the Nusselt number? Yes sir, I know about the Nusselt number. Have you observed that both have the same formula, Biot number and Nusselt number? Both have the formula HLC by K. Can you differentiate between them? Yes sir. Biot number formula contains 3 terms, HLC by K, and Nusselt number also contains 3 terms, HLC by K. But in the case of Biot number, K is the thermal conductivity of the solid body, but in the case of the Nusselt number, K is the thermal conductivity of the fluid. Nusselt number basically tests the ratio of heat transfer by the fluid when it is working, when it has the bulk fluid motion, and the heat transfer by the fluid when it doesn't have any bulk fluid motion. Sir, Nusselt number basically comparing the heat transfer by the fluid when it is transferring the heat by convection and when it is transferring the heat by conduction. मैं कहना ये चाह रहा हूँ ना, अभी तक देखो 3 क्वेश्चन मैंने कवर किए हैं. पहला क्वेश्चन था कि टाइम कांस्टेंट का, तो टाइम कांस्टेंट का मतलब ये होता है कि इसमें बेसिकली 4-5 प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती हैं, उसी को हम टाइम कांस्टेंट कहते हैं. और टाइम कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू अगर ज़्यादा है तो जो हमारी बॉडी है उसको नेचुरल मतलब इन्वायरमेंटल टेम्परेचर में आने में ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा. अगर इसकी वैल्यू कम है तो इसको कम टाइम लगेगा. सेकंड क्वेश्चन था अबाउट द बायोट नंबर, और बायोट नंबर जो है वो बेसिकली रिप्रेजेंट करता है हमारे थर्मल कंडक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस, मतलब कि जो बॉडी के अंदर जो कंडक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस है उसको विद द एक्सटर्नल कन्वेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस, मतलब कि जो सराउंडिंग में जो कन्वेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस है उसको कंपेयर करता है बेसिकली. ठीक है. तो और जो थर्ड क्वेश्चन हमारा था बायोट नंबर और नसेल नंबर कंपेयर करने वाला, तो बायोट नंबर क्या होता है कि हम लोग कंपेयर करते हैं इंटरनल कंडक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस विद द एक्सटर्नल कन्वेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस. बट इन द केस ऑफ नसेल नंबर वी compare the heat transfer by the fluid when it is working as a fluid or a fluid which has the bulk fluid motion with when the fluid is working as a solid. It means there is no bulk fluid motion. ठीक है. पूरे वीडियो में यही कहना चाह रहा हूँ, बट इट इज द कंक्लूजन ऑफ द वीडियो. ओके, थैंक यू.